It can come as quite a shock to hear that you've got gestational diabetes.
I didn't think I would ever have it, really. I didn't have any symptoms or anything like that, so very odd.
And particularly odd for people like Sarah, who've had other children without incident.
So Evie is my eldest, and she was born in hospital. The second time, Louis was born at home. Perfectly normal, nothing to report, really. They were both healthy. So it came as quite a shock this time that something was slightly different.
I've been tested previous to this, but with my 2 boys before, I didn't have it, but they were still big babies. And then this time, obviously, I tested positive to have it.
We've made 2 films, one about monitoring and treatment, and this one about diet and exercise.
It helps to lose weight. That's the main thing, it helps to lose weight, but it's quite boring.
Pregnancy puts huge demands on your body. Sometimes this makes it hard for your body to stay in balance. When you eat things like bread, pasta, rice and cereals and things with sugar in them, technical term, carbohydrates, your body turns them into energy, technical term, blood glucose. You need something called insulin to unlock your cells to use that energy to live a normal life and keep your growing baby healthy. Pregnancy hormones can sometimes stop insulin doing its job, which means that you can get a temporary form of diabetes, usually diagnosed in your 2nd or 3rd term. With the right support, many women can control gestational diabetes through what they eat and exercise.
For Mapalo, I did diet throughout, and I was not on tablet at all. All of them, they are not massive, but they were good sizes. I'm not a gym person, so but I walk a lot.
At the antenatal clinic, exercise and a good diet are high on the list of priorities. Sarah's keen to know from the team of experts if she's been doing enough to control her diabetes.
The blood sugars are behaving beautifully, well within target, so that's really good. So from our point of view, it's just carrying on with the diet, really. We don't need any additional treatment or intervention, so that's really good.
Yeah.
Baby moving okay?
Yep.
We have a urine sample.
Yes, negative.
Thank you. Again, very important with the movements in the last few weeks of pregnancy. Any change in the pattern, let us know.
The team is working towards a safe delivery, a healthy baby, and to decrease the risk of both of you developing diabetes in later life.
Diabetes is the biggest medical disorder in pregnancy that we see. It does still carry one of the highest levels of stillbirth and morbidity for mum and baby.
That's why during my 3 pregnancies, I have a lot of scans to make sure that everything is all right. I used to test myself about 6 times in a day. When it starts going above 8, you have to inform the team. Then you discuss what next measures is going to be, or you change your diet. Also, there was a dietitian in the team, so all the time he used to advise you and check what you're eating.
Obviously, we have to tell them the risks if they don't do the blood sugars regularly. And to be quite honest, it's very rare that any woman doesn't do all those things.
And once the baby's born, you can usually stop taking the medicine, get back to normal.
When your sugar level starts increasing, it's very difficult to control it. So you might go on the tablets and then you can go on the insulin. But worrying is not the solution. It's better you just listen and follow what they're advising you to do, and it helps.
You're trying to keep your blood glucose levels between 4 and 7.8.
Breakfast is quite tricky because, if I want to eat toast, I can't eat 2 slices of toast. I have to eat only 1, which was really hard because when you're pregnant, sometimes you feel like you want to eat more food. But I have to kind of stick to what I was advised so that my sugar level can be kind of stable.
I've had high readings every morning after breakfast. The rest of the day is fine. It's just in the mornings it seems to spike.
The hormones that wake you up and get you going drive up your blood glucose readings in the morning. Keep off dried fruit, fruit juice, jams or cereals with a high sugar content. aim for things like porridge and wholemeal toast for breakfast.
I did cut most of my carbohydrates like in shima, which is made with maize flour. It's an African food and I love it. And mommy doesn't touch the bread. It's for him. And I don't snack biscuits because honestly, you can see me. My weight.
Take a look at our film What Can I Eat and the Eat Well guide for ideas for healthy eating, along with our guide to food shopping. And staying active helps your body use insulin better. Walking, taking the stairs, going swimming will all help.
So on my lunchtime, I'll have my meal, then I'll go for a walk, even if it's 15 minutes. When I come back from work, I used to go for a walk. Even when I had my 2 children, for the third one, we normally go out after 7 o'clock just to go and have a walk, even if it's 20 minutes.
The end of your pregnancy can also see the end of your gestational diabetes.
If you deliver before we see you again, very important for you to have a blood test when the baby is 6 weeks old.
Right, okay.
Just to confirm that this gestational diabetes has gone away.
Right, okay.
And then every year after that, for Sarah, not the baby. Yeah.
Controlling your weight through good diet and exercise is really important to avoid developing type 2 diabetes.
I'm still doing the tests on my diabetes at the moment. It's not clear, so I might find out maybe I might have diabetes.
No one should underestimate how hard it can be to make time for yourself, but good diet and exercise will make all the difference to you and your family.
Now I'm feeling kind of, I have rested, because when you have a baby and 3 children, I was like, oh my goodness. But now, yes, I'm planning to start swimming. I'll be swimming.
If you need more information, go to Diabetes UK.